Redemption Song chords. This is for the verse. So your first chord is a G major chord. We're going to do a two-finger version. Your first finger goes on the the second fret of the A string, and your two finger goes on the third fret of the big E string, and you only need to strum 5. But if you accidentally strum 6, that's okay. And if you lean on that first string, can you see how I'm doing that? If you take this first finger and you lean on that first string when you go to reach for this, it mutes it, so you don't end up hearing that string. The second chord is an E minor chord. So we're just going to move that two finger over to the second fret of the D string. So I'm going from here to here with that one finger. And then, so those are both on the second fret of the A and D strings. And then I'm leaving that two finger down, and I'm adding my third finger to the third fret of the A string and first finger to the first fret of the B string to play a C chord. And then we're going to move to another G chord, but this is called a G/B because we're just playing the 4 middle strings. So you can do that muting thing on the little string again. And then you have the A, D, G, B strings. And then the last chord of the verse is an A minor. So everybody moves. You have the first finger here on the first fret of the B string, the second finger on the second fret of the D string, and the third finger on the second fret of the G string, and then you're strumming 5 strings. If you end up strumming 6, it'll still sound okay, but the ultimate goal is for you to hear this walk down. At the end of the verse, after you've repeated the first 5 chords 4 times, you have a D chord and a G chord. So the D chord, you have your first finger on the second fret of the G string, your second finger on the second fret of the little E string, and your third finger in between there on the third fret of the B string, and you're strumming 4 strings. And then you head back to another G chord. Alright, so let's talk about the strumming pattern. We're going to play it like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The first chord, G major. Same thing for the second chord, the E minor. When we get to the next 2 chords, we're just doing 2 down strums. To the down, down, up, down, up on the A minor. For those last 2 chords, you keep with the down, down, up, down, up on the D. And then G. What I'm going to do is play the chords that get repeated 1 time and then add the 2 chords that come at the end. So you can practice transitioning from through all 6 chords. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and One, two,